The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue as a special military operation. Massive fire attack launched at the provisional bases of the 14th and the 92nd Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Dvurechne, Kondrashovka and Petrovka in Kharkov region has resulted in the elimination of over 150 servicemen and 12 units of armored equipment. High-precision attack launched by Russian aerospace forces near Kharkov has resulted in the neutralization of the manufacturing workshops at an armored vehicle plant that stored over 90 tanks and other armored combat vehicles for the Ukrainian armed forces. Unsuccessful offensive of the Ukrainian group of forces launched towards Krasny Liman has resulted in causing casualties of over 70 servicemen, 4 tanks, 6 infantry combat vehicles and 3 armored vehicles from the 66th and the 93rd Mechanized Brigades of the Ukrainian armed forces. Attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the neutralization of the provisional bases of the Chaika tactical group from the 36th Marines Brigade of Ukrainian armed forces in Khortitsa Island, as well as of the 56th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of Ukrainian armed forces near Zaporozhye. Over 100 servicemen and 20 units of military equipment have been eliminated. In total, 305 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,099 unmanned aerial vehicles, 377 air defense missile systems, 5,143 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 851 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,433 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,963 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.